It's travel day! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Lindsay, this is my channel SwishWilly and Disney, and I talk about all things Disney, so if you're into that sort of thing, please make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you've been following me, you know that I'm heading down to Walt Disney World for the 50th anniversary celebrations. Yes, I will be there on October 1st, and I am ecstatic. And in true me fashion, I have waited to the last minute to pack. My flight leaves tonight at 5:25 p.m. It is currently 8:30 in the morning, and I have just started to pack. So there's that. So I guess let's watch me pack. All right, so the first thing we're doing is we are going to be packing my travel backpack, which is also my laptop bag, because you can see that's what it was built for. So here I can show it to you, I guess. This is when I did the 25th anniversary marathon weekend. I did the Dopey challenge that year, so this has like all my info on the back, so I'll cover that. And I have a wonderful SwishWilly and Disney pin. If you see me in the parks, please stop me, because I may or may not have these on hand and can hand them out to you. Obviously, I'm Canadian. I'm from Ontario, so that's there. And in true Canada fashion, I have 2 Drake patches. I have a couple other patches that I do want to put on here, but I haven't gotten around to it. So there is that. Yeah, so I have all this stuff. Yeah, this is all my packing right now. And along with that, one of the most important things for me is my laptop. As you can see, I've decked it out in SwishWilly and Disney stickers, because why not? So we're going to get that in there. I also am going to make sure that I'm packing my hard drive. My gimbal is right here, so that's gonna all go in this backpack. How? We will see. All right, so also a critical thing are a bunch of cables. This will make sure that I have all the power I need through the parks when I am vlogging or streaming for you guys. You're currently on my tripod, so I can't really show you that, but I also have this attachment for my phone if I decide to record with my phone instead. So we have that going on here, over here. So this is buttons that I may or may not be bringing. More cords, because you can't have too many cords. Hair elastics. I have stuff when I get headaches. This is the Sage Peppermint Halo. If you haven't tried that and you get headaches, please do that. I am also bringing a reusable metal straw, so I don't have to deal with the cardboard ones at the parks. An extra screen protector, because who knows what might happen. 2 magic bands. These are my 2 favorite ones. We have Walt and Mickey on this one, and we have the Toronto Raptors on this one. So that's fun. I also, sorry about that, I also have this here. This is reusable cutlery kits, so perfect for Food and Wine Festival, because again, protect the oceans, protect the environment. So we have all that. So that's going to all go in here. Alrighty, and I'm going to show you, this is my absolute favorite thing to travel with. This is obviously a power bank. This is the highest power bank you can get in terms of like how much power is in it that you can possibly bring on a plane before it is deemed dangerous. So if you do travel with a power bank, please make sure that you are traveling with this in your carry-on, because they are not allowed in checked baggage. The cool thing with this one is it also does have a solar panel, so I can charge it by USB, or I can charge it with the sun. It does take a long time to charge it from empty with the sun, but it's definitely really good to maintain the charge through the day. So that's why I have this one. And I just found more cords to bring. I don't necessarily think I need all these cords, but I'd rather be over-prepared. So I also am bringing my iPad. I usually don't use this on my trip itself, but it's really good because I am going to be at the airport for a long time. I do have to get there early just in terms of people driving. So yeah, this has ebooks on it, so that'll be really good. And again, my passport. This back pocket is where I store all the really important things, because it will be on my back, so just in case, for safety reasons, I don't need anyone unzipping my bag in any way, shape, or form. So my passport will go in there, and my wallet. More critical things to travel with. A luggage scale, because Lord knows I need it. I overpack all the time. As well as a reusable water bottle. This is an OVO one. It's my favorite one. It keeps everything super, super cold and hot if you wanted to, but I mean, it's Florida, so who puts hot drinks in? And now we're going to move on to this sucker. So this is my carry-on that I will probably end up transferring some stuff from there into into here because, as you can see, this bag is pretty fluffy right now. Part of my laundry. But yeah, so I'll probably end up moving some stuff in there. Yeah, so let's get started on that one. Okay, so this is this bag. So I know this looks crazy because I literally have 4 different brushes. But if you have curly hair, you understand the turmoil. And this blow dryer is a bit too expensive for me to put in my checked bag. So there's that. I moved my gimbal over from that bag to this bag just because I had plenty of space in here. I have my diffuser for when I want to wear my hair curly. Yeah, I also have a hair straightener in there. I got everything I need. Also, business card, because why not? And I'm going to pop these in there. These are actually the only ears I'm going to actually be traveling with. I have several already in Florida for me. And this is the Illuminations Farewell ears. They do light up. They are some of my favorite, and I feel like they're pretty appropriate for the last day of Epcot Forever. So we'll see about that, because I'm pretty sure they're not making Epcot Forever Farewell ears. And I don't know if I would even buy those, because I'm not a big fan of Epcot Forever, but you know, it's a fireworks show. So that is so far what's going in here. I do have Canadian treats that I am going to be bringing for my friends, so hopefully they enjoy it, and I'll probably be popping those in there because none of it is liquid, so we're pretty good. Okay, so I have actually added some stuff. So these are face masks, eye masks. This one is super good for the sun, just in case anyone's wondering. You can get these at Sephora. They often have like a special for them. So I am bringing those. I have BioSteel. So if you don't know what BioSteel is, it is a Canadian brand, but I'm pretty sure you can get this in the US. It is like a sugar-free drink mix. So it's kind of like Gatorade, but it's sugar-free, and it's great for athletes. So if you are an athlete and you want this, definitely get these because they also are third-party tested. So to make sure there's nothing in here that could potentially be banned from any kind of thing. We have lots of athletes on their roster, so look that up because it's delicious. They have a million different flavors. This is a new one. This one's actually for Ron, it's not for me, but this one is the pineapple passion fruit. So if you're interested, there's that. Yeah, I'm just sorting through everything. I'm pretty sure we're going to be moving on to the big bag very, very soon. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it is time to start packing the big bag. So we will see how this goes. I feel like there's not too much here, but there might be too much here. So I do have these packing cubes that will probably help. I have 2 pairs of shoes here. These ones I'm actually wearing on the airplane. They are quite heavy, so I feel like it's better to put them on the airplane. I do have some Converse with the platform sole, simply because I am little. If you didn't know that, I am only 5'4", so fun fact for you. I have 2 pairs of sandals here. I'm probably going to pop in another pair of sneakers that are not canvas, just to hold up from that Florida rain, you know what I mean. Alrighty, so I have my swimsuits here. Yes, I have an orange and black one because it is Halloween season. I have 2 dresses here and 1 here, so I just wanted to show you guys this one. So if you haven't heard of the Hilera dresses, this is one of them. I have it in black as well. And the great thing of this dress, one, it's an awesome material. It feels like Lululemon leggings, but it's shorts, which is so awesome. And there's also a really deep pocket in them that you can put your cell phone in, so you don't even need a bag or anything. So these are just really comfy. They're sweat wicking. You can wear them in hot weather, all that fun stuff. So I'm bringing 2 of those. Now I have a couple bodysuits just to say I have them. I have about 8 shirts, a bunch of pair of shorts. I have 1 long sleeve jean shirt just because I like it and it's easy to just throw on. I have some pajamas and leggings in here. 1,000,001 pairs of socks because you never know if your feet are gonna get wet in the rain. I have 1 like cooler weather outfit because it's September and October and it is hot in Florida, so I only am bringing my Epcot crew neck and 1 pair of jeans. So I have that. This bag is unmentionables, thus why is there, oh that's blurry, there we go. So that black bag there is unmentionables. No, I am, what is happening? Okay. No, I'm not bringing these plates there. They are just here because I have nowhere to put them. those shoes are for Ron. He ordered them from a Canadian store, so there. I also have my Raptors jersey that says SwishWilly on it because why the heck not? And also I have one rain jacket. Yeah, it's a Raptors jacket. But why not, right? So it'll be good for the rain, and it's really, really light, so it won't make me too hot. So that's that. So let's see how it goes. All right, so everything fits. Packing cubes are the thing. I also do like that Marie Kondo fold whenever I put things in packing cubes. Actually, just in my suitcase in general. But yeah, so as you can see, I did add a pair of shoes that are not canvas. So these are my Nike Cortez. I have like 2 or 3 pairs of shoes like this, different colors, but yeah. So all my face creams and all that stuff, my liquids here, liquids here. But yeah, so that is it. We are pretty much ready to rock and roll. I just have to add some snacks in some of these bags, but other than that, we are solid.